Alright guys, last math notes video for chapter 2. We're looking at finding a linear equation from a slope and or points. So previously we've talked about writing a linear equation if you know both the slope and the y-intercept. You just have to come along and plug the slope in for m, plug the y-intercept in for b, and you're good to go. Now we're going to learn what to do if you don't have those two things. Here's a hint. You're going to find them. Okay. Let's go down here to this example. So write the equation of a line with the slope of -4 that passes through the point 530. So let's think about what we're going to do for that. Well, we know the slope is -4. It passes through this point, 530. That's going to be an x and a y. So we're going to use that information to solve for our b. And then we'll have the slope and the y-intercept. So we start by writing y equals mx plus b. Then we substitute -4 for m, like so. And we substitute 430 into the equation for x and y. So we end up with 30 equals -4 times 5 plus b. So to do that a little more conventional way, y equals mx plus b, y equals -4x plus b, or since we know that y is 30, when x is 5, we plug those in. Then we have 30 equals -20 plus b. I'm zooming in here. Sorry about the mess here, guys. It's tight. So add 20 to both sides. 0 there. 50 equals b. Now we go back to our original equation and we can plug in 50 for b, -4 for x, and that would be the equation of the line. I'll erase that all in just a second. Okay, similarly, you can write the equation of a line when you know 2 points. So this was if we know the slope and 1 point. We can also do it if we know just 2 points. We just have one more step to do. So the first thing we're going to do is calculate the slope between the 2 points, and then we're back to where we started in the first example. We're going to use that slope along with one of the points to calculate the equation. So, for example, write the equation of a line that goes through 3, 7, and 9, 9. Let's do that down here. 3, 7, and 9, 9. They've gone and graphed it for you. Here's 3, 7. Here's 9, 9. Looks like GG when I do it by hand here. 9, 9. We're going to calculate the slope. You can either count it off the graph or remember your slope equation, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So that would be 9 minus 7 over 9 minus 3, which would be 2 over 6, or 1/3. Now we have the slope is 1/3. We need to get the y-intercept. So to get the y-intercept, we say y equals mx plus b. Plug in 1/3 for m. Let's use the smaller of the 2 points for our x and y. 3 is x, 7 is y. So we say 7 equals 1/3 times 3 plus b. 1/3 times 3 is 1. So 7 equals 1 plus b. B equals 6. So our y-intercept here is 6. Here's our y-intercept, there's our slope. So our final equation would be y equals 1/3 x plus 6. Which is the same thing that they got down here on the bottom. Okay. So y equals 1/3 x plus 6. Okay. So you still need two things when you're finding the equation of a line right now. You need to find the slope, you need to find the y-intercept. If any of those are missing, find your slope first, then find your y-intercept second, then plug them into y equals mx plus b, and you've got your equation. All right, I'll leave you with the parting problem here. Find the equation of a line through -6, 6 and -4, 3. And your hint, find the slope, then plug it into y equals mx plus b along with one of the points to solve for b. Hope you enjoyed